So with ARM TechCon, and who are you?
My name is David Nawalny. I'm a business development manager with Freescale Semiconductors microcontroller group.
So here you have a whole bunch of Freescale powered devices right here, right?
Yeah.
Is the Freescale inside here?
Yes, we actually have quite a few different Freescale devices, and the area that we're actually looking at right now is our wearable section of the Freescale Internet of Things demonstration platform. All of these devices here use very low power ARM processors and connect wirelessly back to the iPads that you see here. Could be an iPad, could also be an Android device.
What is this?
This right here is a wearable reference design that Freescale is putting together, and we'll soon end up announcing this alongside of a community. So similar to the BeagleBoard or Raspberry Pi, this is actually a demonstration platform that we're going to allow the community to take and turn into devices similar to the IM watch, the watch that Qualcomm recently released. I mean, basically this is going to be an Android type wearable reference design that will actually have a lot of features that you'll see in a lot of medical products.
So this right here is the board, nothing more.
Correct.
USB, that's it.
This is the board, front and back. What we have featured on this board is an i.MX6 processor. We also have a Murata Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.0 module, and in addition to that, we also have a Freescale accelerometer. The plan is, for the second phase of this board, we will have a plug-in board that's going to allow the functionality of a lot of different healthcare applications, such as ECG and or heart rate monitoring.
What is it IMX 233 or no?
No, so this is an i.MX6. It's a processor that we announced 2 years ago and is now in full production.
This is i.MX 6?
That is an i.MX6, correct.
Cortex A9? Right here.
That is a Cortex A9 dual core processor.
Which one?
This one right here.
And what is this?
That is the Murata Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.0 module that has both Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy.
This is really small. Can it go in some Google Glass?
It potentially could be integrated into products like Google Glass. I mean, the key is very small form factor, and you can see how densely packed this board is. So this is the front of the board, that's the back, and as I mentioned, we'll be integrating some further solutions into this.
How about POP memory on top of the CPU? Do you do stuff like that?
In this particular device, we do not, but in terms of roadmap, it is something that we have the capability to do.
Because that would make it even smaller? It's already small.
Potential. I mean, one of the things that Freescale has access to in terms of creating very, very small devices is actually a technology called redistributed chip packaging, RCP technology. This essentially allows us to take even a product like this and using wafer type processing, turn this into a very, very small design. So something like this, it might be a, I don't know, 12 by 18 millimeter design, turn that into something like an 8 by 8 design.
So let's go further down here.
All right.
Here's some weights, what do you call it? Stuff to weigh people? Yeah.
Correct. So we have some weight scales. This is actually a demonstration platform specifically for our healthcare devices. So Freescale's focused a lot of time, effort, and energy on our portable healthcare portfolio of products. These products are blood pressure monitors, pulse oximeters. We also have a panic alarm, and then, as you mentioned, weight scales. And right now, what I'll end up showing you is all of these devices wirelessly connect back to kind of the key to this whole Freescale Internet of Things demonstration platform is something we call the One Box, which this One Box is a single, secure, open platform that uses Java, Freescale, and ARM Sensinode technology. So you have Oracle's Java that connects from all of these EndNode devices into this One Box gateway, which is powered by another i.MX6 processor, send that up to the cloud, all in an open, secure platform.
So it's like a hub?
This is a hub. I mean, think of it today, you have a Wi-Fi router in your house. In the future, we're going to have so many different wireless protocols. You're going to have Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth. All of those are actually integrated into this gateway. And the key to it is really the secure service layer that both Java and the ARM Sensinode technology have put on. I mean, that is the key to this solution. From EndNode up to the cloud, you now have that Java secure service layer. And the next area that I'd like to talk about here is the smart home. So all of these, you have Wi-Fi devices, you have Bluetooth devices, you have electrical outlets that are actually now smart. All of this connects back to this gateway. You can kind of see how this gateway is going to be key to management of your entire home.
So, how soon can I have my home managed like this?
So from a Freescale standpoint, this is a reference platform. So Freescale, Oracle, and ARM, we put this together to use as a reference platform. So our goal is to take this and really just show system integrators what, in terms of technology, we are capable of. The goal would be they would take this design and start creating end products. And with that, this is an open design from end node up to cloud that really all you're doing now is the piece of the puzzle that's missing is an application manager that sits on top of this. Everything else is essentially done for you.
So who's doing the application manager?
Well, that actually brings me to one of our partners down here.
I haven't been able to get it.
In the case of smart metering, we actually have a partner, Proximetry. And Proximetry is actually taking this data, and what we have here to our left is a network, a metropolitan area network, based on a sub-gigahertz network. And this is based on Freescale products. A company called Nivus has put together a module to create the networking stack, and then Proximetry is the stack that sits on top of that. And the Proximetry allows the application manager of this entire wireless network.
Smart home, smart wearable, smart health, smart energy, smart cities.
You got it. That's really what Freescale is looking for, is really empowering the Internet of Things. We're a leading hardware provider. We have over 700 parts within the ARM portfolio, ranging from very low power Cortex M0 parts to high-end, greater than a gigahertz processing with our i.MX processor. So in terms of powering the Internet of Things, Freescale has everything someone would need in terms of hardware, and we're partnering with some of the leaders in the industry with Oracle and ARM in terms of software.